Go clockwise.
Yay! Good boy! Alright, good boy! Not too far away, which we like.
Yeah, just run circles around.
So his goal right now is to gather these sheep and bring them to me. We hope. That's what his goal is. Now we're going to try and turn him again. Hut! Hut!
He's not biting
Boy!
him.
No! Come by. Nope, come by. Come by. Come by. Come by. That's very amiable. You don't care that I'm doing this?
No.
That's a good boy. Good boy.
Whoa.
And a hit. And a hit. Hey.
No bite.
Bite my sheep.
He doesn't hurt him.
Lie down. Lie down. Hot. Lie down.
Wouldn't be DQ'd for that though.
Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Hey, hey, you're working with me. Lie down.
Oh, he was just dropping earlier.
Lie down.
There he goes.
Pretty good.
And you don't dare turn him loose, eh?
Out, 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 out. See how his hit has changed, Ginny?
Yeah. Totally. Oh, he loved that one. That's the one he liked. That's the one he likes to get.
You bring it back. You don't bite it. Hey!
Oh, what a good boy. No, he is.
Considering he hasn't had any training.
Right there. There. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down doesn't mean you have to be down. It means you have to stop. Lie down. Lie down. Good job, that'll do. Yay! That'll do. Come. Nope. That'll do. Come. That'll do. Come. Dot. That'll do. Come. Come on. That'll do.
Doesn't want to leave.
That's what I was curious to see if she had to drag him out.
It's the same thing as the frisbee. It's fun and games.
Nobody's going to call him a quitter.
Good job. He's